Just imagine, you are the facility manager at a company with production equipment and office space. At your company, there are a number of different energy consumers that are impacted by various factors, such as weather conditions, variable production processes, and times of the day. Until now, it has only been possible to estimate the energy consumption of the individual systems. Energy data was only available individually. It was difficult to benchmark systems, and there was no complete overview of all media, energy consumers, and influencing factors. With web-based energy data management from WAGO, you can manage your energy flow and consumption in the future with a transparent database. With WAGO Energy Data Management, data from meters and sensors can be easily collected by convenient input modules and configured from the available software application. Programming is not necessary. No matter if you want to use your QTY counter or new meters to measure your energy flow, just connect, configure, save, visualize, or make available for other applications, such as reports and benchmarks. And the principle behind it? Just open WAGO Energy Data Management in your web browser and conveniently configure the connected meters. And saving and transferring your collected data is just a few clicks away. Existing systems are easy to expand because the Energy Data Management System from WAGO grows with your requirements, thanks to the WAGO I/O System 750. And in terms of data and transmission security, you are up to date with WAGO Energy Data Management. The solution provides comprehensive options to ensure your IT security, from the firewall to port management, and it's just that easy to implement your own energy data management. Assemble your required hardware components. Download the Energy Data Management application and install it on the controller. Install the hardware. Configure the input signals and connect everything to your control systems as necessary. Fast data acquisition through parameterization with no programming. Efficiency is that easy. Talk to us. We're pleased to give you advice.